A shiny black moped sits forgotten in the corner, gathering dust.
Ah, feels good.
Whoa! Thick smoke starts pouring out. Gently, Nora adjusts the throttle. She can feel how smooth the moped is.
She stays calm, just enjoying the steady buzz of her mope.
It's clear. She's starting to enjoy every moment of it.
She lets the moped idle a little longer. Humming gently beneath her.
Once the sound evens out, she revs it up a little. She presses the seat a bit. It's softer than she expected.
Oh my god! Wait, is this thing actually so soft? Whoa! Hey, feel that! It's like...
With a soft, she gives the moped its final touch. It's over now. She shuts off the engine.